Wall Street had a plan. Billions were on the table. Hedge funds were certain they couldn't lose. They forgot one thing: the internet was watching. This is the story of how a bunch of small investors, armed with memes, conviction, and zero fear, crushed some of the most powerful funds on Wall Street. Welcome to the Gamestop Revolution. Gamestop was an old-school store. Physical games, aging consoles, slow inventory. While the world moved to digital downloads, GameStop stayed behind. To Wall Street, the company was already dead. To hedge funds, it was the perfect opportunity. They opened massive short positions, bets that the stock would fall to dust. But they made one fatal mistake. They shorted more shares than actually existed, a historic act of recklessness. Meanwhile, in a chaotic, noisy corner of the internet, a Reddit group called WallStreetBets was analyzing the gigantic short position. It was a forum of memes, profanity, jokes, and madness. But among the chaos, one user emerged, Roaring Kitty. With simple videos and a red t-shirt, he explained something that would change the market. GameStop is oversold, super oversold. If people bought and held, hedge funds would be forced to buy back shares. And that could trigger something legendary, a short squeeze. Roaring Kitty wasn't a genius eccentric. He was just a regular guy, and that's exactly why people believed him. Small investors began buying shares. Every purchase squeezed the funds. Every purchase pushed the price up a little more. Hedge funds insisted, "It's just a fad, they'll give up." But nobody gave up. In fact, the entire internet joined the game. The price rises, and rises, and rises. Hedge funds start losing billions. Trying to stop the disaster, they go on the media to dismiss the movement. They call small investors irrational, dangerous, irresponsible. That only made the internet angrier. This wasn't just a financial battle anymore, it was personal. GameStop's price explodes. $20, $80, $150, $300, $483 per share. Wall Street panics. Some funds nearly collapse. Others beg for rescue money. For the first time in history, regular investors made Wall Street bleed. Roaring Kitty goes live, just smiling, and the entire world watches. And then something surreal happens. The trading app Robinhood blocks GameStop purchases. You could sell, but you couldn't buy. The internet explodes. Theories erupt. Manipulation. Protecting the funds. Rigged game. The US Congress steps in. Hedge funds are investigated. Robinhood's CEO becomes a global meme. GameStop falls, rises, falls again. The madness fades into dust. Some became rich, others lost everything. But the legacy remained. A group of ordinary people stood up to the system and set it on fire. GameStop would never again be just a gaming store. It was now a symbol. The GameStop case wasn't just about money, it was about identity, about revolt, about little people shouting, "Enough!" It was the day Wall Street had to look in the mirror and admit the game can flip. The market changed, people changed, and the system would never be the same again. This was the day the internet defeated Wall Street.